Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Photoshop just released an outstanding, unbelievable update. It showcases the power of AI and how we can use the power of AI in retouching and editing photograph. Let's dive in. Let me take you through the installation process. First of all, you have to go to the Creative Cloud. On the left hand side, you can see the beta apps and you have to install the Photoshop beta, and once it's installed you have to open it. I'll show you one problem that I was facing. Whenever I was doing any selection, I was not able to see the generative fill option. So I had a talk with the Adobe assistant and they have guided me with some of the process. Once you have installed the Photoshop beta version, you have to click this Behance option, and once you click the Behance option, you have to log in to the Behance account if you have any. Otherwise you have to create a new account and you have to add your age. Yes, age is very important. This is what they said. If the age is not provided in the Behance account, then you will not be able to see this generative fill option. You have to verify the age, and then I had to restart Photoshop. To use the generative fill option, you have to use any of the selection tool. So let's try removing this model. You can see the option generative fill. Click on that. You will be able to see a empty area where you can type the prompt. So let's type green grass and click generate. Amazing, man. It's so accurate. It have maintained the sharpness here, and slowly it have created the depth of field, and it gave a grass element, grass flower. It looks great. It's going to change the way retoucher and editor work. It's mind blowing. This is the power of AI. So you get a new layer, and it have also provided 3 variations. To see the 3 variations, you can click. This was the first variation, this is the second variation, and this is the third variation. Obviously we will choose the first variation. It looks great. Even the second variation also matches the entire environment, but I like the first version, so let's stick to the first version. And even you can see all the features in the property option. You can even type here, and the thumbnail of all the 3 variations are here. You can click any one of them to use it, and it's a non-destructive process. Whenever you click this layer, you will always have these 3 options. So if you have changed your mind later, if you want to select the third version or the second version, let's try something different. Let's select this area and generate fill and type basketball. Great, it have created a basketball. Though the scale is little bit larger in size, but it have maintained the shadow and the light. So in this image, the direction of the light is from this side, and the generated basketball have the same lighting. The light is striking here, and it have a shadow in the opposite side which matches the image. So it have done a great job, though the scale is little bit larger, but it's very easy to fix it. You can use this selection tool and Ctrl J to duplicate it and just transform it. So I'll be trying something different in this image, which is very relatable during the process of retouching and editing. So let's make a selection of the sky, make a mask, and we'll be selecting the model separately. Let's select the model separately. We got the model. So we got the selection of the sky, which is the white. Just click command and click on the mask. You will get the selection of the sky. Click generate fill, stormy sky, dramatic clouds. Beautiful. We got 3 options. I love this one. Let's use this. So you can see the model is little bit distorted and have made a rough cutout of that. So it's very simple to fix it. So you can make a selection of the model and just duplicate it and put it on the top, and here you can see most of the artifacts are hidden underneath, but there are few issues like in this area and in this area. You can do some manual work. So to use spot healing or any other tool on this layer, you have to rasterize it, and then only you can use any of the tool like brush or spot healing. And this is how you can use the power of AI in the retouching and editing process. Let's try without using any prompt. So once you have done your selection, rough selection, and click generate fill, we will not type any prompt, just click generate. Let's see. This is amazing. It have recognized that as the jeans pant and it have changed the color. Let's see the other options. This is great, and this is in beta version, and the final version is yet to launch, which will be much more accurate. African face generate. Wow, just perfect. It have maintained the lighting. The texture of the face is little bit off, the teeth is little bit off. That's fine as it's in a beta version, but it have maintained the light, the color tone. If we make a selection here and click generate and mouth, closed mouth, and generate, let's see. The third version looks great. In this image, let's try adding a hat, wearing a hat, generate. And it have also added this leaf area. It have carefully added the shadow on the forehead and on the hair. She got a little hat. This is a very critical image. Let's try removing these two people. Let's make a rough selection. Ooh. White window. Dude, this is so accurate. And it have also added some decorative items in the background. It have carefully maintained this pattern going on. That's simple. Just select, write a small prompt, and click generate. You are done. So let's try with a blank canvas. Why not? Let's make a selection of the empty canvas and click generate, and let's type beautiful magical field of flowers, man running, stunning. There are artifacts in the model, but these will be obviously corrected with the upgrade, and it's in a beta version. It feels like Midjourney inside Photoshop. Try using a prompt that I have used in Midjourney. This is a prompt that I have used, so this uplight will not work in Photoshop. So just the prompt, click generate and paste the prompt. So it have generated these type of textures in Van Gogh style. Very easy to get textures and patterns. Subscribe. So you can use this as the background for any graphic design stuff or packaging. Use them as textures for lot of design stuff. Possibilities are endless. Just keep exploring and experiment. Thank you so much for watching. So guys, please do like and subscribe to support my channel.